Mmm. This spaghetti is really good. Hey Dominic, I think I forgot to get you something to drink. Do you want a Sprite or something?
Sure, Cassie. I will take a Sprite, please.
No problem, brother. One Sprite coming up, and please do not burp out loud.
Okay, sis, I promise. But if I do, hit me.
What? No. I'm not going to do that.
AWW. Come on. It will be so funny.
Okay. Here's your Sprite.
Oops. Excuse me, Cassie.
Dominic. You knucklehead, I told you not to do that. You were super funny, brother.
Ouch. 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 I am sorry, sis. I promise I won't burp out loud again. Ouch. 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 Cassie, I said I am sorry. Stop. Hitting. Ouch. Me. Cassie, stop it.
Okay. Thank you, Dominic.
No problem, sis.
Okay guys, that's it for the video. And actually my brother actually burps all the time and it kind of makes me laugh a lot. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.